guys, I hope you're having a great day. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I'm bulk filming today, as I do love to do, just to save me some time. So I like to film a few videos in one go, like in one day, wake up early, film well videos all day long, and then sit on it through my next days off, as I am just a normal mortal person who has a daytime job and does YouTube for the pleasure. If you're looking at my eyebrows thinking it looks different than usual and you haven't seen my previous video, it's because that I tried for the very first time to do this vivid brow trend thing, and I used for that the new Makeup Revolution soap brow thing kit. So yeah, it's a video up on my channel if you wanna go and see how it all went. And then I filmed this super easy eyeshadow look and the glitter eyeliner, the easiest thing. If you want your eyeliner to look like you put loads of time and effort by doing this, but you actually have put like 5 minutes, and that's a video for you guys. So in this video I'm gonna be checking out another Makeup Revolution product. This one is Pore Perfecting Primer, Velvet Priming Balm with applicator included. So this is part of the Conceal and Fix family, the ones that, you know, I have it in here I think somewhere with me, the Conceal and Fix concealers, foundation, setting powder, so I can use actually all together today just to see how it's gonna look. And they have another Conceal and Fix actually mattifying primer, and this one is, oh no, this one is Pore Perfecting. I really do like this mattifying primer, Conceal and Fix. I don't know why I didn't come across this one Pore Perfecting one before, but this mattifying, oh my god you guys, if you have oily skin like I do, check it out. Pretty sure I did a review as well, and it's up on my channel, I'm gonna link it. So as you know, I have super oily skin, and oily skin means big pores, and this little thing says that it's Pore Perfecting Primer. So that means it's gonna give this like kind of blurry effect on my skin, so therefore maybe it's not gonna be as oily and my foundation will look beautiful. You're not gonna see that much texture, as I do have some breakouts, I do have adult acne and rosacea, and you name it, I probably have it. Alright, so I think without any further ado, let's just open this up. It's brand new, it's still sealed. Love the packaging, it's exactly the same as all this Conceal and Fix products. Yeah, all the packaging is kind of same, so it shows you that it's the same line, you know. So I think without any further ado, let's try this. Oh, okay. Comes with a spatula that they mentioned, so it's like a little scoop in here as well. It looks very solid. It looks like a cream foundation or something like that, like proper solid foundation. It doesn't look anything that I tried before for a primer. I don't know what it's gonna work, but I mean, let's check it out. So I just zoomed in the camera so you guys can see better how big and pronounced my pores are. I have some acne scars and a bit of the breakout going on in here. Other than that, my skin actually looks pretty good today, so shouldn't be that hard to cover up. It's just the big pores. So it says to use this spoolie, so you don't put any germs on it. Okay, it glides as a butter. It's kind of solid, like a solid butter would be basically before it melts. Let's try a bit on the hand. Oh, okay. It does feel a bit buttery. I don't know if it's greasy. Oh, it's very strange. It's not like your silicone-based primers. It feels like butter. That's the only way I could describe it. And as you see, a little goes a lot. It kind of has a color as well to it. I didn't apply that much on my hand, but it feels like I could have applied way less. Although you guys, if you could feel my hand, it feels super smooth. It's like there's no texture, there's no dryness or anything. Compare my hands now, you guys. What just happened? Is this primer brightening as well? Look at my hands. What just happened? Okay. I'm kind of scared to try on my face now. So I'm not gonna put directly from the spatula on my face because I do tend to get acne breakouts. So I don't wanna, you know, use the spatula on the face, dip it back in and then again. So I'm gonna put some on my hand at first. I think I have far too much in here. Oh, okay, I have far too much for sure. For sure. It feels weird. I feel like this is brightening as well. Like, it definitely has color to it. I don't know if I like that. Because I'm applying with my fingers, I can feel how my skin kind of changing. It goes super smooth. Look how my face looks now browner on this side where I haven't applied any of this primer, and then the rest looks whiter. So it looks like I had foundation sitting in here and now a cleaned up face. It's so strange. It has this white color on it. Have you tried this primer yet? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Because so far, I have no idea. I don't even know if I should use a brush for this, because the texture of it is so weird. It feels like a butter, but then saying that, it's not greasy. You know, like a butter would be greasy, but this is not greasy. Oh my god, I have far too much in here. I think I applied far too much. I'm just trying to blend it through everywhere. But it does make my face look way much whiter. So for the foundation, I'm going with Conceal and Define foundation in F7. Let's see how this foundation is gonna be on the top of this pore perfecting primer, because my pores are really pronounced. There's no doubt in there. So far, to be honest, I really don't know what to think of this. I'm actually gonna be using today for the first time the non-shy marble blender. It's so soft. It's probably the softest sponge I ever owned. Alright you guys, so foundation and a bit of a cream contour is on, and if I'm honest, like, I'm looking at the mirror in front of me, I don't know if I'm convinced yet. Like, I do love Makeup Revolution. If you've been following me for a while, you would know my love for the brand, and I have loads of products from this brand. I've been loving it for many years now. I don't know if my pores are not as pronounced, and I applied a lot of a primer, so this might be first product from Makeup Revolution that I don't like. Like, I'm allowed not to like something, right? I'm still gonna give it a go. I'm gonna apply the same collection, the Conceal and Fix setting powder. This one is in a color translucent, and then do some contour, and then I'm gonna come back to use with a finished look. We're gonna see the result. But so far, I don't know if it's doing anything. Like, alright you guys, so I finished off my makeup look and wore it for a good few hours as I filmed another videos and I had some food and all, so it's definitely been a good few hours. My skin started to look a bit oily, where it gets oily the most, so it's my chin and like this part in here gets the fastest, the oiliest, and it started to get oily already, so it means it's not like mattifying primer, and it doesn't say that it's mattifying primer. All it says that it's pore perfecting primer. I don't know, like, I'm trying to be as nice as I can because I do love Makeup Revolution as a brand. I think it's amazing. It's cruelty free and vegan friendly, super affordable, and so on, so on, so on. And the products are amazing. Like, every time I try something, I'm like, whoa, you know, they are stepping up the game. But this primer, I'm just disappointed. I mean, I don't think my pores look any smaller than usual. I'm looking at a mirror. I have a mirror in front of me. It looks exactly the same as it looks normally. It doesn't look any smaller or blurred out or anything like that. And I used all the same line makeup items. But comparing this one, the Pore Perfecting Primer with Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer, I will go for the mattifying as it does give that like blurring effect. Honestly, this is amazing, amazing, amazing. Can't recommend this more. This, if you need a good primer, you have oily skin. Oily skin means big pores. That's what Pore Perfecting Primer would be good. Not in this case. Go for this one. It's the same line. It's the same Conceal and Fix. Go for mattifying one instead of Pore Perfecting because it didn't perfected any of my pores. I thought gonna blur it out or something like this. No, it looks just exactly the same as I wouldn't use any primer in my opinion. But maybe it's just my opinion. I don't know. Have you guys tried this primer yet? Does it work for you? Or yeah, I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know because for me, I'm disappointed in this product. Like, I really had high expectations like with all the Makeup Revolution products that I tried ever because it's always just getting better and better and better and better, but this is disappointing, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video with sad end and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly, I would appreciate that if you would press the button to subscribe, and I shall see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye. Have an amazing day, guys. See you soon.